बैक टू तन्वी के व्लॉग्स एंड तन्वी के स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग वाले व्लॉग्स को आपने बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार दिखाया है. So I have come to Pune now, and you know this channel is more or less about styling and things that I like to show you guys, which I feel are really very remarkable. So today I have come to MG Road Camp in Pune, which is known for like street shopping in Pune, and I thought I'll show you guys what it is like, what you get out here. So let's start the MG Road street shopping tour.
Yes, better.
ये कितने का है भैया? I have picked this up for 50 bucks. This is a very nice crop top and it looks super cute. And this shirt I really liked, the side cut. And the overall very rough, easy feel of this shirt is like really nice. All these shirts are like 50, 100. So right in front of Queenstown you will find him. Start with Mr. Sahil, who looks really busy because he's always got really awesome stuff. So I'll show you the kind of shrugs that are there. The stall, which has got like a number of stalls which are actually very interesting. There is like some silk stall, there is cotton stall, there is cheese cotton stall, there is net stall, jute stall. Very basic, something very classic that you would always want to have. It's just for 50 rupees, and this is something that I believe we all girls who travel a lot, we do need these kinds. So it's a great place to pick up like nice stalls from. Like this one is so interesting. Yeah, this can really spice up a very plain boring dress or even like a plain kurta or a t-shirt. This is from Pepe Jeans. So these are like proper stalls. Can you open this? Price for this?
100 rupees.
You have these lovely stalls for 100 rupees. Soft and nice. Very nice. Okay, this is a very beautiful shrug. Nice.
It's like wear like this.
Yeah. Wow, this looks ultra chic. बहुत smart दिख रहा है ये. ये कितने का है? 150 rupees. You have to fold it. It is like this small, just like a handkerchief. A tea bag shrug with like awesome print, like a baby pastel pink. When you're like traveling and you just want to like put this soft thing in your bag and carry it around, you know, just in case you want to feel cozy. This is a Pakistani shrug. It just comes over your shoulder like a drape. Nice. All these things for 150 bucks. Such a rich look. Just for 100 bucks. I love the print, and you know, just when you're wearing like a very basic black t-shirt, black shirt, or any of those kind of clothes that you feel are looking way too casual and you want to make it look a little semi-formal, these are the kind of scarves and you know, or dupattas or stoles that you always need to have handy in your bag, so you can just like change the look right around in like 2 seconds. These prints also in the shrugs that you just saw. And there are some mute colors. I really like this material, this grey one. It's like a very heavy kind of mull cotton, if you can call. It's just like that. For somebody who doesn't like floral or something very vibrant, this is your print. And right there you have like kurtas, right, only for 250 rupees, and I think they have like plus sizes also. It's like good stuff. Do come and check this out. All these things you'll find right opposite Blackberries on MG Road. Meet this guy. So this is like a very nice different style of a shrug. It looks like this, like a plain cloth. You will find 2 armholes which you need to gather around like this and then wear it. Just like this, yeah. Just like a piece of cloth wrapped around you. I really liked this style a lot. Also, wide range of variety when it comes to these kind of square scarves. I really like this shimmer stole for dinners or clubbing when you're probably wearing like Indo-Western or something basic. But it's an evening, so just like every shopping street has it, the scrunchies. You will find these kind of heavy kurta sets starting from 1000 rupees, and these are again for 100. There's a lot of variety of like sweaters and shrugs. You know, these kind of shops you will find a lot in Pune camp, where they have nice handicrafts, murals, and you have these kind of paintings and a lot of other things that you know, state of the art kind of art to be sold. So again, for like 100 rupees you have like such pretty dupattas and a lot of variety here. I love this print. I really liked this one with these tassels. How beautiful. So you have like full sets like these of Indian wear for 650 rupees here. Jacket is like such a steal for 100, like for 100 rupees. Like, I am a big fan of these kind of things, you know. So for 100 bucks, this is like an embroidered, a very pretty pista colored cold shoulder top. It's the kind of a top that I would like to wear on the days where I want to wear ethnic, where I want to have that Indian feel, but yet I want to wear denims. So this is the kind of top. Very lazy top. And this is a crop shirt, red and blue. It's for 100 rupees. Cute, right? These dresses are like starting 450 rupees, and there are some floor length dresses too. Like this black one is like a floor length and an off shoulder. It's pretty. So this is like right below Canara Bank. I really love this piece. It's like crochet body. It's a crop top, and I think it's this very nice light mauve color. There's got like a lot of colors also, like color options. Yeah, it's a free size. This is one of a kind. Not something that I would find in any of the stores that I go to. This is like a rainbow unicorn kind of a feel. Iska price kya hai? 450. Wow, this is like really nice. So he's got stuff for like the tops are for 350, 450, and till 750. And these are the tops that you will not find online or like very often in India. And he's got these kind of things. So if you're the one who doesn't like to wear like same clothes that other people wear, I think you should come here. Neat. It's got a lot of colors. It's a very pretty design, very nice concept. This is a very cute Popeye shirt for 300 bucks. These are like the bodycon dresses for 250 rupees. It's a pretty grey one. Okay. This is a plain black dress, a mix of polyester and cotton, but it's very neat. And this is just for 250 bucks. This is right opposite Louis Philippe. Okay, this is also a very smart dress. So the body is like cotton. I think this is like really pretty for 250 bucks. This is for 200 bucks. Life is good. Indeed it is. Before Margarine, you will find him, and you will find a very good collection of like homeware, nightwear. I really like these shorts, and they have stuff for like 150, 100. They have dresses for 250. It's something that I really loved, and I would love to wear it with my white superstars. Oh, wow. This whole set is for 700 bucks. It's ultra beautiful, and it's got these pants. ये कितने का?
700.
So it's got like these pants. It's for 700 rupees. And besides this, I really like this one. They also have these dress sets for 700 rupees. This is for 600. Okay, this is one of the kinds that I really like, with a lot of structure. Like at Budani and Sons, it's right in front of that. Very nice shrug for 100 rupees. It's like a kimono style. It's got this black piping and very nice crepe material. Oh, Japanese kind of a print. So these are my picks. Like a kaftan. Look at this. It's like so pretty. I loved this color. This is like again a very nice top trail behind. I like the print. Very easy looking. I like the embroidery on this one. It's like a proper thick shirt, and this embroidery is something that I would love to wear. So this is like the stretchable kinds. So just a very nice design to wear on a denim. I really like this. But out of all of them, I think this is the kind of shirt that Levi's has now stopped making, and I would love this pocket with this kind of embroidery. Buy 100 and buy 2 for 150. I'm very particular about the buckles. I didn't quite like this buckle, so I would be like okay with this. This is fine. This buckle is like better than the others, so this one is also good. Something to wear in the night. It's for Jerry. Cute prints. They're for 200. So these are for 250. I loved this one. So in this shop, I really loved this top. It looks really smart. It's sort of short, but not exactly a crop top. It's for 250 rupees, and it's a non-stretchable denim, like the original denim look. This piece, which has got a nice cut on the sleeve. Like all denim shirts, they anyway look so smart. And then this is like got a little stone wash on it. Then I like this for its simplicity and the casual look on the sleeves. It's like got a very nice loose, soft material. Yeah, this is the look. Yeah, so this is the look of the shirt. All these shirts for 250 rupees only. Cute. Again for 250 rupees. This is also for 250 rupees. Nice. Like look at this sleeve, got a nice structure to give you a proper fit at the bust and the waist. And it's like nice tough denim look. I totally loved it. The backside like this. So this I would call is like out of the box kind of shopping that we spot on MG Road. And it's got like really nice pieces. These are just for 150 bucks. In Pune, of course, it's cold, so you would need a lot of these kind of sweater-like tops. So they have like a lot of variety here, just for 150 rupees.
Maroon color or maroon color?
Nice. I am done with showing you guys the street shopping at MG Road. Now I've come to my favorite Marzarin. Shopping is done. This is my Potli's, my Nimbu Pani from Marzarin. The coffee, hot coffee is not here. So I enjoyed making this vlog and going around the street shopping fields at MG Road after like a long time. But I did this for you guys because I wanted you guys to see how this market is more or less, and I hope you guys got the gist of what I tried to show you. So if you liked the video, please like, share, subscribe, and remember, I love you.